Okay, I'm going to tell you an animal joke because this book I have is full of animal jokes. Why do birds fly south in the winter? Because it is too far to walk. You're welcome.
So we have a heat warning here where we live, so we went and got out our air conditioner. This is just a window air conditioner and we have it running off the generator. So when we upgrade our solar, it'll hopefully run off that, but until then, just gotta crank the generator on for a little bit, cool it down in here because it is grossly hot. So we also received a couple of items in the mail recently. So I just want to take a second to show you what it was and to thank the people who sent it. So here we have some homemade soap and a couple of homemade candles. And these candles and soap are made by Saunders Creations, which is somebody who follows us on YouTube, and it's actually his daughters, his young daughters, create the soap and the candles and they sell it. So that's really awesome that they made these. So there will be a link below to their Facebook page where you could purchase your own candles and or organic body soap if you wish. It's pretty neat. They're different scents. This is a mint one. Peppermint, it says. This one's vanilla. And the two soaps, let me see what they were. This one's lavender and this is an unscented one. They're goat milk soap and charcoal lavender soap. Pretty awesome. Thank you to Aubrey and Caitlin Saunders for making these for us and sending them to us in the mail. So again, if you're interested, check out the link below. That'll take you right to their Facebook page where these girls make this stuff. We also received something else from another viewer of ours. So she owns the Bread Bar, which is a company in the States, and she makes sourdough bread. She also sells the kits in order to make your own sourdough. So this is a dehydrated sourdough starter kit that she sent to us in the mail with full instructions on how to do it. And there will be a link to her stuff below as well. So it's the Bread Bar. And yeah, this is a pack of dehydrated sourdough starter kit. So we're gonna give that a try today. It looks pretty awesome. And I love that there's a full, like 4 pages of instructions on what to do and different recipes and stuff you could use. So thank you very much to Donna for sending that to us. So here we're gonna start the dehydrated sourdough kit. And first what you do is you pour this 15 grams of dehydrated starter into a container, and then the 80 grams into a container, the same container, and then you add 90 grams of water. Then you have to let it sit on your counter covered, so I have a lid for this pot. Let it sit covered for 24 to 36 hours. And the way that you'll know that it's ready is it'll have doubled in size. So we're gonna get it started today, and hopefully we'll be able to cook it tomorrow or the following day. My measuring cup doesn't have grams, and I don't know how to calculate that, so I just converted it into teaspoons. So I'm gonna put 6 tablespoons. Actually, I'm gonna put 6 tablespoons of water in here. And they want you to use filtered water, so we have actual well water, so that'll be fine. And then just stir it up. So that's it all mixed up. Now I'm gonna let it sit for the next 24 hours. I'll check it. If it still hasn't doubled in size, I'll let it sit for another 10 or 12 hours. And then we'll go from there.
So we're in the corner by the door, the back door here. And we're gonna put a closet right on this side. You gotta give it to us. It's pretty old school. Once again, we're using these screws because that's what we have. So, I know that question's gonna arise, so that's why. We just have a ton of these screws, so we're using what we got. Yeah, they're good anyway. Nothing wrong. We can just foresee the question. Why are you using the screws, bro? Closet's done. That's not bad, eh? Set summers around here. Put lots of screws in case you go to sleep here some night. Your new bunk bed. Leave me alone.
Coming in hot.
Right?
Coming in hot. Okay.
The bugs. Oh, this one's nice and straight. Just friggin' twisted all the dogs. It's hard to measure.
Oh.
That's on the 16, eh? That light?
Yeah.
But she's a grown up now.
This way, that's why I do it this way.
Want me to get up and pull it?
So, we got a closet done.
We're pretty excited.
It's actually a pretty big deal.
Yeah,
We've been
we love
wanting
it.
a closet done for a while because we got crap everywhere.
In here.
Yeah, Sam's sweeping the closet out.
Yeah. So you see on the bottoms there, like we didn't finish off there, but like that trim will cover it, and then the trim will cover here. The trim will cover the bottom, but the trim will cover here. It'll cover the bottom part where we didn't, where the gap's at the bottom. We'll put it up here. Might put a piece up there. We'll just see. We'll kind of figure out what we want to do to clean it up. This is cut for a door, so if we want to put a door on it, we can. It's a 32-inch. We can put a 30-inch door in there. I'm gonna cut that bottom plate off.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
We're happy.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. We had a bunch of this wood to work with still, so. And we still have more, so we're probably gonna work on this gable wall here next.
Finish all this and above.
Want to tell them what we might do to that wall?
Yeah, and we're thinking that we're going to go vertical with the boards instead of horizontal and then paint it white.
Paint it white, yeah.
So we have one white wall.
Just this wall.
And it's not really much of a wall. It's only the tiny bit that you would see here and then the top peak.
We just figured it would break it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it'd probably brighten the room even more, like just having one wall like that.
Yeah.
Because the sun comes in this way, reflect off that.
Yeah, it'll look good.
Yeah, I think it'll look good. Well, Sam's going to finish cleaning up that, and I know Ashley's dying to fill the closet now, probably.
Well,
so.
there's no rack in it yet, but I'll put my shoe rack in there.
It'll be, yeah. But we'll put a, you know, a closet bar in there, a shelf, the regular stuff inside the closet. We just worked with what we have for today, so we can work on that wall. We figure we'll do this now, right?
Yeah.
So.
I think I'm done now.
Very nice. Good job. Guess we'll see you
In the next one.
Yes.
You can see what it looks like in there now.
It looks great in here.
Yeah, because I sweeped it up and stuff.
You sweeped it right up, didn't you?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job. Looks
See
great.
over there.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Over here. And they even picked the big sticks out too. Yeah.
Good job.
And all the little dust stuff.
Nice.
I might do some more sleeping tomorrow.
Perfect.